Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the topic of integers in maths for 7th standard. So here today, how to represent the numbers, that is the integers on the number line. Here you can see a straight line. We know we are familiar about the number line. But here from 0, we know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the whole numbers, and when you add negative numbers to these whole numbers we get integers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on the right side of the number line represent positive numbers, and -1, -2, -3 such numbers which are negative numbers on the left side of the 0, they represent negative numbers. So negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 on the whole form the group of integers. The next thing is, this is known as horizontal representation of integers. Horizontal number line representation of integers, that is the line is horizontal and we are representing integers on this number line. Now how to add the numbers on this number line? That means using these number lines, how to add the numbers? Let's see. We have to learn how to move among these numbers. That is, when we move, +4 means right side of 0 on horizontal number line. I will show you how. First let's follow these steps. So we move -4 means left side from 0 on horizontal number line. That means negative move 4 units towards left side. Minus of -4. How do you read this one? Minus of -4 means turn towards the negative numbers and move 4 units in the opposite direction. So you can understand in a better way when you watch the TSAT video which was given on this topic on the day 1. Okay. So similarly, now here the next one is plus of -4. How do you read this one? Plus of -4 means turn towards the opposite direction. That means turn towards positive integers. You have to turn towards the positive integers and then move 4 units in the opposite direction. Now let's see how it's done practically. Okay. So first one is +4. So how to move the positive move? So here from 0, always we count the move from 0. So from 0, one step, +1, then again +2, 3, 4. So 4 moves means we'll reach to 4 here. So this is the move of +4. So next, from 0, what is the move? -4, that is the negative number. So from 0, take the steps. That is, how many units you have to take? 4 units. But in which direction? Negative direction. Negative direction means left side of 0. That is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reached 4 units. So 4 units left side to the from 0 is represented with negative number -4. So this is a negative number and it is a part of integer. So in this way, this is a positive number and this is the negative number. Then we come to the third condition. What is that one? Minus of -4. So minus of -4. How do you represent minus of -4? That means you have to read here, turn towards negative numbers. That means you are looking towards negative number. You should stand here and look towards the negative number, and from here you have to see the opposite direction. So when you see the opposite direction, the move will be towards right side of, so right side of 0 is again what? Positive number. So always minus of minus becomes positive move. So this is positive units. How many positive units? 4 positive units. Then the fourth one is what? How do you read this one? Plus of minus 4. So first write here plus of minus 4. So how do you represent this one on the number line? Turn towards positive numbers. First is positive, no? So you have to turn your face towards positive number, and then you have to move 4 units to the opposite direction. So when you move opposite direction means opposite direction of positive numbers is always negative numbers. So the move will be from here to the left side of 0, which will be minus 4. So this is negative move 4 units. How many units? So students, you have to remember that plus 4 is a positive number and minus 4 is a negative number. Minus of minus 4 is a positive number, and plus of minus 4 will always give a negative number. I think you have followed this topic.